Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This week we're making dumplings. I'm going to do 7 uploads in 7 days. This is the hashtag Chappie7 Dumpling Challenge 2022. So me and my little Chihuahua Mookie have saved you a seat at the bar. Sit back, relax, and pour yourself a drink. Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie, and it's dumpling week here at Chappie's Tiki Bar. So Mookie and I are going to challenge ourselves to make 7 dumplings in 7 days, and we're going to use everyday leftovers to make those dumplings. This is just a challenge for Mookie and I, but if there are any YouTubers out there that want to do the challenge, all you have to do is use hashtag Chappie7 Dumpling Challenge 2022 and do 7 uploads in 7 days and make 7 dumplings. What's wrong, Mookie? Mookie doesn't think we can do it. So last night for dinner, Mookie and I had some roast chicken with gravy. So this episode, we're going to do a roast chicken and gravy dumplings. But first up, we're going to make a drink. I'm just going to do my take on a Planters Punch. I got a nice big old mason jar full of ice. And I'm going to put in the syrup from maraschino cherries. I'm going to put that in first so we get sort of a tequila sunrise effect. And then we're going to go a good 2 ounces of Bacardi white rum. Ooh, that's a little more than 2 ounces. Come on. And we're going to do 1 ounce of orange juice. And 1 ounce of pineapple. And we're going to give a shot of lime juice. I picked it fresh at Safeway, Mookie. All right, and then we're going to do a dark rum floater. I have Captain Morgan's Black. We're going to give it a bit of a dark rum floater on the top. And I have a nice garnish. I got some maraschino cherries, a nice Myers lemon with an umbrella. And I have a stir stick from Frankie's Tiki Room in fantastic Las Vegas. And that's my version of a Planters Punch. So coming up next, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake, where I'm going to take my roast chicken dinner and make some dumplings from it. So stay tuned for that. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. For appetizers today, I've been taking leftovers from the night before and making them into dumpling form. So these are my dumplings made from last night's leftovers. And we need a beverage to go with our appetizer, so I think today I'm just going to do a shot. This is called a coral snake bite. I'm getting this from my trusty bartender's guide. So it's one part. There's 3 components, so 1/3 ounce, 1/3 ounce, 1/3 ounce. So 1/3 ounce of coffee liqueur. I have some Cafe Del Mar. This is a rum and coffee liqueur. And 1/3 ounce of Galliano. This is actually vanilla Galliano, and it is a product of Italy. And then the last one, cherry brandy. I have Ross's cherry brandy liqueur. And that is a coral snake bite. I should probably see if it has some bite. So we'll give it a try. Bottoms up. Oh, that was god awful. No, I'm just kidding. It wasn't that bad. All right. Thanks for watching another edition of... Thanks. All right, thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.